Solo travel. Tips for exploring the world alone. Muscles and tussles. This idea crossed my mind the other day, and although I haven't given it too much thought before, I thought it would be helpful sharing some tips about traveling alone. I've traveled alone a few times now, and every time has been quite enjoyable, most recently, Southeast Asia. That's not to say that traveling with friends isn't fun, but every now and then, taking a solo trip can help you learn a lot about yourself while doing things on your own timeline. Traveling alone really can be one of the most rewarding experiences you can have. It allows you to step out of your comfort zone, meet new people, and explore the world on your terms. However, it can also be intimidating, especially if it's your first time. Here are some tips for making the most of your solo travel experience. Plan ahead. It's important to research your destination, including local customs, transportation, and accommodation options. I would even suggest reaching out to a few friends to see if you could get some tips and recommendations. This will help you feel more confident and prepared once you arrive, while also making sure to spend your time effectively. Stay safe. Always think proactively and take precautions to ensure your safety, such as avoiding dangerous areas with the first point in mind, keeping your valuables secure, and letting someone know your itinerary. There's a distinction between getting out of your comfort zone and feeling uncomfortable somewhere, so if your gut tells you something doesn't feel right, it's best to play it safe. Be open to meeting new people. Traveling alone doesn't mean you have to be lonely. Staying in hostels or joining group tours to meet other travelers can be a lot of fun. If you're lucky enough, you'll even have friends of friends you can reach out to along your travels, which can allow you to explore a place better through a local's perspective. You never know who you might meet and what kind of experiences you'll have together. Embrace solo activities. Take advantage of the freedom that comes with traveling alone. Try new activities, visit museums or art galleries, or simply take a stroll through a new city with no expectations. I've surprised myself multiple times by making spontaneous decisions to see new things on my own, and it always ends up being a good time. Enjoy your own company. Solo travel can be a great opportunity for self-reflection and personal growth. Set aside some time to journal, or if that's not your cup of tea, find some enjoyment in the smaller things you do on your own. Taking time to appreciate your own company and enjoying the solitude is a very underrated thing, in my opinion. Although traveling alone can feel like a daunting commitment, it can also become one of the most rewarding experiences you can have on your own. Give it a go the next time you feel bored and have some time off, even if you're not going too far out. I hope that the aforementioned tips can help you make the most of your upcoming solo travel adventure. You'll surprise yourself with how much fun you can have on your own. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Explore every